At 4KS, we deliver lift truck training. We deliver training on counterbalance, reach truck, VNA, PPT, also scissor lift and flexi, which is known as bendy truck. Our instructors are qualified instructors with RTITB. We also do courses on novice, semi-experienced, refresher and conversion courses. Once a candidate's been experienced and been driving out there for many years, it's always recommended to come back and to renew the license. All of our instructors speak multiple languages to help candidates with ease. Once the candidates come to the training centre, we take them through the classroom. Our instructors then will go through all the PowerPoints, all the health and safety, watch videos and help them with the question papers. Once they've completed their classroom work, we then take them to the shop floor, we introduce them to a truck and help them to gain the experience on the lift trucks. We also do finance, which will help our candidates to pay, and after each session, the candidates have to go through a test. That's in the practical side and also on the theory side of it. We have a 98% pass rate. As soon as they've completed the course, our admin staff then will have a look at their CVs, help them with the CVs and then try to find them a job. We also work alongside with recruitment companies where we refer the names to.